Enjoy!
Brunch that brings the breeze. Catch the flavor wave.
Hosted by Imran.
Hello Brunch Breezers! Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to all of you. Welcome to the Brunch the Breeze Christmas edition. I hope you weren't naughty this year, you are all good, and Santa brought you a nice Christmas gift this year. But even if he didn't, I'm gonna give you the best Christmas present for you. And this is a nice crispy brunch. Today we're making a Leberkäse sandwich. You only need a 10 slices of Leberkäse, honey mustard, and a burger bun. Okay, so toast it for 2 minutes and I think they are done. What do you say? They are sunburned. And now we put some honey mustard, a little too much maybe, but that's okay. And now a few slices of Leberkäse. You can put as many as you want. I'm gonna put 2 or 3. So Leberkäse is coming from Austria, some parts of Germany and Switzerland. In English, the word actually means liver cheese, but funny thing is that the original recipe from Bavaria does not contain liver nor cheese. Liver cheese with 0 liver in Bavaria. This contains a lot of cheese, so it's obviously not the original one. This beautiful meat is made from bacon, beef, and a lot of pork. So basically this is it. We're done. Like I said, you only need 3 ingredients. 2 actually. You need honey mustard and you need Leberkäse. And of course you need nice bread or this beautiful burger bun. You can leave it exactly the way it is, or if you want, you can put some pickles, or I'm gonna put 1 cherry tomato for freshness because I love them. And now we take those beautiful 2 parts, the one with the honey mustard and the one with the Leberkäse, put it on top, and there you go. Nice, quick sandwich with Leberkäse. Enjoy. So we're done. Leberkäse sandwich, Leberkäse burger actually. This is my Christmas brunch for you. Now, if you're under the age of 18, I suggest you can pair this one with orange juice or any kind of juice if you want. But for best flavor, this one goes really good with a nice cold beer, just like a lot of food from the German cuisine. Thank you for watching the Christmas edition of Brunch the Breeze, and I'll see you on the New Year's edition. Till the next one.
Hosted by Imran.